Go.
Welcome to Vanlife. Today we're gonna show you our trip to Florida.
Yes. And you know what? We're here in the middle of nowhere.
We are at what park, Bug?
Florida.
At Jacksonville.
Jacksonville.
It's a pretty beach, nice view. You can drive your car near the beach.
Right in front of the
beach is just right there.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. This is day one and we are on our way to Chattanooga, Tennessee. There's a snowstorm. We're okay.
So far we're okay.
We are gonna go to the rest area. Just gonna make sure everything is okay.
You just need to clean the wipers. Because if we do not clean the wipers, the snow will get stuck.
It will pile up.
Entering Highway 24 going to Nashville. Let's go!
Tennessee. We are gassing up again after 100. How many miles, Bob?
141 miles were in our first stop. First resting. We're gonna be staying at Chattanooga for the night. So it cost us 8 hours to drive, and tomorrow another 8 hours going to Florida. So as you see, it's already night time, but we still need to drive 2.5 hours. We're delayed because of the snowstorm.
Okay, go.
We're here at Walmart.
Vegetable cooked by Perry. It's tofu, beans, and spinach with coconut milk. Luncheon meat for Macy.
Here's our spot. It's the gasoline station there, and there's some trailers there. Whew. That's it. Second day, and it's 7:45, and my daughter has a class around 8, and my wife is making coffee. You want to see what's outside? I'll show you. Not moist. There. The trailer last night left around 12. How was our night? They were comfortable, and I was not, because I was overthinking. Yeah, this is our first time to sleep at Walmart. Scared, anxious for the safety of my family, but yes, so far it was safe and we're okay. So we're here now at Chattanooga, Georgia, going down south to Georgia and Florida.
I'm cooking vegetable lumpia and chicken peppers. I'm preparing this because we're gonna be leaving early, trying to avoid traffic like yesterday since we left late. And then we are gonna be eating this while we're on the way. And we chose finger foods because it's easier, it's not messy.
I got more than just words. I got more than just words. You bring me songs sweet like the birds. So I got more than just words.
Marcella, wake up. We're going now.
Knowing that we've got the ties that bind gives me peace in my mind. The lights are so much brighter. The colors so
9:05 a.m. We just filled up the gas tank and then
So we have 550 miles more going down. Yeah. Get it on.
joy in my soul. The fact that you're half of what's making me whole puts a little joy in my soul. And I got love in my heart. I got love in my heart. The promise that no man can tear us apart puts a lot of love in my heart. The lights are so much brighter. The colors so much deeper.
we are here at the rest stop, and then we are gonna wake Papa up because it's time for him to drive again. Wake Papa up, say Papa.
Wake up! He just woke up.
And he's gonna stretch, and we are gonna be back on the road.
On 10 minutes.
Hi, this is Dustin. We made a reservation for today. I'm just giving you a heads up that we're running late. I know it's supposed to be there around 1 p.m., but we're gonna be arriving 7 p.m. Yes. We just called the campsite. We are running late. We're gonna be arriving at 7 p.m. So whenever we go to a campsite and we think that we are gonna be arriving past office hours, we give them a heads up just in case there is no staff at the gate or at the check-in area, to be sure that we are gonna be able to enter. Like for example, this one, they need a code, or we need a code to be able to go to the campsite. It's Florida now! Wow! Look at the trees, look at the trees!
Yeah! Finally!
Where are we?
Where are we?
We are in the hotel.
Yes, finally!
We go
We
for the
go
first
for the
day.
first time!
It's not the first time. The first time camping.
Oh, on the second night!
And the second night
Second night!
of the
My wife
year.
will be the cook for tonight!
We are also gonna be staying here. Since my mom has 8 days off, then that means we are staying in Florida for 8 days. day.
Do you like America?
I like Philippines more so it can flood and then I can ride jet ski.
Oh my god.
You like when it's flooding?
So I can ride a jet ski.
Loko ka. Hi.
Hi. We're ready to go. Hi everybody. This is our first day in Florida and we are at Frederick-Bill Park. We chose this park because it's the nearest from our surprise to Marcella, and
It's a 20-minute.
cheap. It's a 25-minute drive plus it's just $25 a month.
A month?
Like $25 a day, like a night. Plus we do have very clean restrooms. It has hot shower, which is perfect. Plus clean toilets. But we still use ours.
Any idea where are we now?
No. I have no guess.
Okay. We'll see later.
I am excited
Why?
because Mama and Papa have a surprise for me.
Awesome, thank you. How are you doing? Look where we are. I'm gonna show you. Where that is?
Yeah.
Where?
Disney.
Yeah. What if we told you that we're at Disney?
I would be happy.
You happy? We're here now.
We're at Disney.
Yeah. Happy Mama.
I love you too. How about Papa?
No.
Papa drove you all the way here. I love her, Papa. Thank you, Papa.